Okay, YouTube, let's do another M2 video. Check out this 335 we got, working on this sucker. Pretty cool. It's a 13 335 M Sport XI, or X Drive, with all the M Performance parts. I'll have to do a review on that one too, as soon as we get it done. Anyways, I want to do a quick thanks and just tell everybody that has subscribed to the channel, thank you, and everybody that's liked my videos, thank you. And I hit 100 videos, or 100 subscribers on my videos yesterday, and I was really excited. I know that's not a lot, but I really appreciate all the UTV guys and all the M2 guys and everybody that's subscribing and commenting and liking my stuff. I just want to say thanks. If you like this video, please like, please subscribe. But I thought it'd be fun today to take a quick look at the underside of the M2. It's supposed to snow tonight. I just have crappy roads. I still want to get out and do a good driving review of the car. I'm sorry that I haven't, but it's winter time. It's so hard for me to shoot right now. But anyways, let's take a look at the underside of the M2. Okay, so let's take a look at this. So check out all the aluminum suspension carriers, even an aluminum strut. That's freaking awesome. So this whole carrier is all aluminum. All aluminum, all aluminum. Got your little M on there. So cool. Even the shield to the brake rotor is awesome, and there's a good picture of those awesome brakes. But just such sweet, look, even this is aluminum. Even your steering rod is aluminum. And then you got your funky sway bar, and look all the aluminum stuff here with your subframe. So pretty awesome. Got a full aluminum plate here. Look at this. Look at this. This is for cooling. So I don't know if it's cooling like an exhaust piece or a transmission piece, but that's definitely like a cooling port. Look at your flex joint. Oh, that's sweet. It's all V-band. Yeah, that's really nice. Look at that exhaust. That's like a really nice exhaust system. All this heat shielding throughout the whole thing. So a lot of people have asked me if I'm going to change my exhaust, but just from looking at this exhaust, besides like just wanting a little bit different sound, I mean, this is a high quality exhaust. Like, you look at some cars and it's shitty exhaust. Look at this nice brace. Nice frame brace here. Just money. We'll get back to the back. Oh, you can't see that. Wish I could see the drive shaft. So this has a carbon fiber drive shaft. We got our M differential here. This is probably the electronic controller piece, but look at those cooling fins. And then you have your full electronic diff, which honestly is kind of the magic in these cars. You got all these connectors. Look, no solid mounted here. And then here's a great look at the suspension. This is a hollow shaft, so we have a hollow rear axle with all this aluminum stuff, like all this M aluminum stuff. And this is really the magic. This is really the stuff that changes this from a 235 or a 240 to an M2. And you know, I think they're similar in speed, honestly. As far as straight line speed, a 240 and a 235 are close. But this suspension is where you really get some serious handling prowess. Let's take a look at the exhaust. Again, so this exhaust, I mean, this is nice exhaust. So I know it's like factory, but when you look at most factory exhausts, it just looks like crap. And this is like got great bends. It looks like a sport muffler, like a real sport muffler. Here's our little actuator that changes the sound of the exhaust. It opens up these ports. But everything on this, oh look, directly, so subframe directly connected. There's no rubber in between. So that gives you nice rigid. So this whole subframe black piece directly connected. And again, an aluminum shock to save weight. Like, changing some of this stuff, it's like, I swear, you're gonna go backwards on it. And we got our rear diffuser and our exhaust. We can clean those tips. But yeah, pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. So I just want to show everybody this suspension. It's just rad. And that's really what, you know, sets apart a Ford Focus RS and an M2, is just all this engineering in the rear and front suspension. That gives it the wide body. And then this exhaust, guys, I don't know if I'm gonna change this exhaust. It's so good. Like, changing things that don't need to be changed, it's just, I don't know, probably do an intake. I think an intake would be fun. I love this cooling port. That's so cool. But yeah, so I thought it'd be cool to just take a look at that. Get close in the intercooler. Just great cooling. Check out those vents. The air curtain, they call them. More coolers. More cool vents. Pretty sick. So yeah, kind of fun. But I thought it'd be cool just to take a quick look at her. I don't know if anybody has any questions about the M2. Let me know. Please subscribe and like. But yeah, I love seeing all this suspension stuff. This piece right here, so this little deal is part of your traction control and like stability control. Pretty funky little way to do it, but it measures like the input of the suspension and transfers that back to the computer. Let's take a look at the strut tower. Anyways, pretty dope. I thought I'd get up a quick video. And I will get back on the road with it. But I thought it'd be fun for everybody just to see the undercarriage. So there you go. There's the underneath of the M2. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you think about exhaust. I don't know, man. The exhaust looks really high quality. But I'm interested to hear your thoughts and comments. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.